urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Erie County, northeastern Huron County until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Milan, or 5 miles northeast of Norwalk, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wakeman, urgent weather.